Hello, my name is Dawn, but a lot of you call me
Spice Dawn.
And I want to tell you about Suzie the Sloth. This is a buddy clip. Now, I don't use a lot of buddy clips. I'm a 57-year-old woman, but this is so stinking cute. Look, she has all these little hairy things that stick out. Like, isn't that adorable? And her little corduroy legs, and look at that face. And she has the clip, which you can clip on the edge of your purse. If you are in school, book bags. Her scent is Go-Go Mango, which is a wonderful, wonderful scent. She's pre-scented, no scent pack, like our bigger stuffed animals. So this is a buddy clip. You can hang it in a locker. You can hang it in your linen closet. So when you open up your linen closet, instead of a scent pack, you'd have a sloth. You know what? That's stinking cute, and I think I'm going to do that because I need a sloth looking out at me.
Can I put one in my workshop?
Your workshop's pretty big, but you can put one in your closet. It smells really good. So this is Suzie. If you don't actually have Suzie yet, you probably should just get one or two because it is really, really adorable. Who doesn't love sloths? I love sloths. So if my videos help you, we're going to put Suzie back in her little container so she smells good. Good night. If my videos help you, share them. Maybe your people don't know how cute Suzie the Sloth is till you see her here, and then you'll get orders. I know my customers are going to love this thing. I also have a Facebook page called Spice Dawn Tips to Share. I might start posting tips about all the places I could put Suzie the Sloth. Bye.